Sink a piece of everything, man. Come. Get one bad dream.
Go again.
Alright guys, so with a too long wake up and me tired bad, me not lie, me really tired because yesterday me finished do everything what me telling you say me did I go do. So me season up the meat them, me put the sorrel for draw from yesterday. Let me see it look, talking about it. Ooh. Alright guys, so we just met the sorrel and done. I got a full bottle, which is good. I might do another set because today are just the 18th and Jason love juice, me love sorrel. So I might do another bottle. Plus then know say everybody when me make cake for them I forget a bottle of sorrel. So yeah. I'm gonna taste it right now. It looks good, right? But I'm gonna taste it because I never make sorrel before long. So as I say, I'm gonna taste it now because I never make sorrel before. That's a one. And my mommy did tell me that sorrel is a little bit tricky. You can't throw no water on it and stuff like that. So I don't know what it be, but I don't try it, so I don't gonna know. So I did just use it how I draw it and add my little touch to it, my little ginger and all of them stuff to like spice it up. I did watch one video where them say you can put rice grain and pimento seed in it. So I'm gonna try it now. I never make sorrel before, so I want to see how it tastes. Hopefully it don't want nothing else because I don't want to fast with it and I see it red and pretty. Once it tastes like ginger, I'm good. I'm not putting no rum in there because kids are gonna drink it as well. Even though a little bit won't hurt, but I'm not put it. I'm not violate them. I'm not put no rum at all. Alright, may I hope for the best because boy, ready? It tastes good. Wait. I can't be a judge. I have to make Jason. Babe, come here 1 minute. 1 minute. I really have to make you be a judge.
It is good.
Baby, I know my first time I make sorrel, right?
When it cold, I got taste, so it really tastes. I have a little strong kick, but when it
Baby,
cold,
that's not nice.
no, it's nice.
Babe, don't do your wife that. So, at this me I put in our fridge for drink before Christmas. So everybody will love juice. At this time I go get. See you later, alligator. So, I'm gonna spread up my bed and go and lay down. Jason in the bathroom, my bed. As I said, I'm not think me I leave the yard today. I don't have no reason. I just want to stay home and go and get some stuff in place. Even though I kind of not have nothing much to do. Just the curtain and the sheet them for change. And I'm gonna do that like Sunday. Yeah, I'm gonna do that Sunday. Really and truly, I normally do those stuff on a Saturday or Sunday. So yeah, I have everything under control. Guys, it feels so good. I have everything under control, and what really help me is the fact that I write in my notes. It no matter what, I write in my notes and I stick it off when I get that specific thing done. But I spread my bed and come back. So guys, nobody could tell me say sorrel stain. The sorrel stain up the whole of my white shirt, and me never know. And you know, me love that little blouse there. Me love it bad. So if you watch this and you go make sorrel, remember say it's stain because it's stain up my top. But me a record. Yeah. So, but me I go try the sorrel with ice to see how it tastes, cause me never try with no ice. It's still nice and it tastes even better. Just me, but guys, Jason. I don't know Jason. When him come out of the bathroom and I listen to music, Jason ready for go away. I'm in again at breakfast. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Babe, sinky peas and I come.
Sinky peas,
Yes. Now go use the bathroom, sinky peas.
I need something heavy enough for sinky peas.
Jason, you don't know how peas sink? Babe, sinky peas and be realistic. What you doing?
Catch it up, the computer pan heavy sink. Like.
Just a sinky peas and so I can put on back in something.
Sinky peas.
Just a sinky peas so I can put on back in pressure cooker.
Probably I don't want something like this still when I have a bigger computer.
Just a sinky peas.
We big stone them there outside.
Just you know how to sink peas. Stop playing.
Oh, stone.
They go sinky peas. Sink the peas.
Let me see how Jesus did you the Red Sea. Or Moses.
Just a sinky peas.
I rang shuriken meals.
Just a sinky peas.
Baby, keep on telling me I'm a try.
Just you know how to do it. You make a joke.
I don't know how to do it.
Babe, sink the peas.
Babe, I don't know how to do it. Good on you, blow.
Sinky peas.
Stir up.
Babe, sink them.
Sink.
Babe, you don't know how to sink peas.
No, none of them now come up, babe. They sink already.
Babe, sinky peas.
Daddy. Sink peas, yeah.
Pour some water in it.
That's all.
No, like it's like it was cooking now, and it's what's like, eh? And if you have a pour, it gone down, you pour a little more water in it. Or for the milk you are going to use, you know, you pour the milk in the soil. Because it's pre-cooked, you know.
Yeah.
So you pour the water now, and when you pour the water, it gets soft water, you know. It's the worst if you smoke it from last night. Yeah.
Jason, have a spoon.
No.
I see.
I have no proof that they do that.
In my phone.
No power phone.
This.
No,
Wow.
pour the water for that.
Oh my. Me think already.
So you want me to sing something I already sing? Or you boil out more?
I know you can't sing peas, hold it. Only thing Jessica can do right now is sausage and bean and rice. And he can do cabbage too.
Wow.
And you love eat food, so?
That doesn't nothing.
He can fix himself something for that he get over.
Yeah, of course. Hold the camera.
I'm coming.
You can't, how you make it up without spoon?
No.
You
can't eat it up with it.
Okay.
Spoon job for yo. No way.
With a spoon.
You can't eat the dumpling there.
No.
Anyways, let's bring something so we could play that.
No, you can't.
Good morning, guys. Vlogmas day 20. I know when I question, I know when I say, Angel, we are gone for 2 days. I see the message them. I see them. I try to answer to everybody, but if I miss your message, I'm super sorry. Listen, I did feel drained. May I tell you, drained. I was so tired. I think one of the day I was super busy because I did try to like get stuff in place because I don't know Christmas in the next 5 days, right? But I'll tell you, I'm tired because I season up all of the meat them and try to put like certain stuff in place and then I have the house to like change the curtain and especially the living area when the guys are waiting to see the stuff them when I buy for the table and all of that, which I gonna come in tomorrow's vlog. Yes. But I'm super sorry for not uploading. I did a try to record the whole process of me cleaning the meat and all of that for Una, but just never did a workout because it was a messy work. I did one go live in the night and still never did, feel okay. So you just make it slide until today, Sunday, Vlogmas day 20. I don't want to understand. Please understand. So yeah. Oh, everything I wanna do already. Comment in the comment section and let me know. And clean up and a change curtain wanna do. Let me know.
Like, you know what, you need to get up and like go do something. Even if it's not like the work what you want to do, you do. Go play a ball. Cause me love football. At one point, I not kick a ball. Even when I come for football, I close the window then. That's how I get like, when they start becoming that friend of mine.
We can do ugly face. Baby, I do it. I do it already ugly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with another video. Look at just one little no man, one girl, and the face of black. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with
Razor Blade.
From Razor Blade TV, Razor Blade TV Vlogs, and Razor Blade Family. We're gonna just talk about some random stuff. Well, rather ask Jason some random questions. That way you do? You remember me?
Yeah, just ask a question. Run.
Alright. First question. Excuse the man in the background who cut the yard. First question. When we get married, right? I go trim your hair?
I don't know.
Why I don't know?
Because I don't know.
What do you think?
I don't know.
What would you want to do?
I don't know.
But I want you to cut it.
I still don't know because you don't take care of my hair.
And what I tell you, say?
You are not responsible for my hair if it's to be cut or not.
Jason, that's not that.
That's the answer you want me to give? Alright then, so you answer my question.
Let me tell you, first of all, I'm not go back in an ear from, let me tell you something I never know. I'm not go back in a Jason ear from the prank.
Ever your angel talking? Answer! Oh, answer, she said, answer! So, answer.
What are you talking about? More if you do back the style where you grow the ear in the middle and then you normally use a sponge and sponge it down. That used to make it cute. Well, it's still cute, but it used to make it cuter. So, I don't love if you cut it. Your ear really give you a look when it comb, but I don't want you to cut it so over the day. Just saying. What color you want the suit to be?
I'm not sure of the color I would want my suit to be in, but I know that it's going to be a color that I like, because it would be good to be dressed in a color that I like. You know, so,
just abuse me.
So right now probably blue. Oh, blue is what I like, so probably hopefully I can find a color in a blue when I like to get married. You know?
Tie or bow?
Maybe bow.
Bow?
Right, maybe bow.
I mean, I don't want anything what Jason decide on that I'm gonna use, because I both are with there and kind of have my side figured out and what I want. So yeah. Vest or jacket?
Maybe jacket, I think.
Jacket?
Yeah, maybe jacket.
Alright, so we have to close the door because our yard are cut. We never know. But yeah guys, everybody always asks me a question in regards to the wedding. I kind of have one and two stuff in mind, but it's not finalized yet. I'm not even gonna lie, it's not finalized. I kind of know the color theme that I want. I know how my dress I gonna look. I know the shoes that I want. And I just Jason now for make up in my what him want, because I don't want him for rush, because him probably never did do stuff like how me do stuff. From me younger, I always think about my color theme, how I want my dress to look and all of that. But you know, him probably just start think about it, so I want to give him enough time.
Me look on say it poor we happy with it. Yeah. So that's and then because it I don't want to say too early for this side, but think about it December and next year I've got good little time, even though time will fly past. But me I say it's good enough time for me know say alright, me sit down and look through and say alright, then this me decide upon.
Because I don't look that before me pass off, but then me can make the decision for you.
Yeah, you not pass off, man.
No,
You're not
no, I'm
pass
just
off.
saying, I wait with nobody no know.
Yeah,
I win already.
Yeah, true.
You see what I'm saying? Yeah, me can say, tell them marry this evening.
Yeah, that's true.
Probably.
Yeah, cause that is just suggest for my birthday, but me I say
Yeah,
these pan
you
things
see
how
what
I
I'm
plan, it would have been too quick.
Too quick, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because that was a suggestion when me that say.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because I remember when that say from this year, but then through the COVID coming,
Yeah.
you know what I mean? I mean, I say, well, you know, it would be nice if, you know, people on the birthday, because
Yeah.
then instead of you have a birthday party, you have a anniversary party.
Yeah.
True,
By the
true.
same
True.
day, so both gifts are happy. You understand what I'm
Yeah, for
saying?
both, yeah.
Yeah.
That's true. You know, me not normally like when people merge me gift them. Like if me born December, then give me Christmas and birthday gift in a one.
Yeah.
Give me birthday. Then
I read it in IP for the brother say in December. So what do you think of now? I think in was the 20th of December. So what do you think of? In mother wait for time when the Christmas will come down, so she give him
One gift.
gift.
No. Guys, I'm gonna end off my video right here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 50k. Go over to his YouTube channel, subscribe, show him some love. Tell him that you just said it.
Me would be surprised if people did when subscribe to me.
Tell
So
him
me
say
look forward to see them.
Tell him say Ian just sent you. And bye guys.
Why ask me,
Smell.